Hello and welcome to an Aura Cloud Plus Training as a Service video snippet. Learn to use and configure Oracle's Fusion Cloud applications in minutes, not hours. Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial explaining how to freeze a purchase order. So in case you don't understand, freezing a purchase order does not allow further changes to be made, but it does allow the existing transactions to cycle out, meaning being received and invoice paid. So we want to go and locate our PO. And we'll go to the task panel under Manage Orders. And so this is a task that's done by the buyer. So you don't see this in the requisitioning front end. So what we're going to have to do is find the particular PO that we want to freeze. We can choose any of these. So let's take, for example, we have Office Depot, lease supplies here. So let's go ahead and jump into lease supplies. And again, we just want to freeze this PO. So we don't want to stop any of the further activity, but we don't want it to get, we don't want to be able to extend, amend, increase the order. Okay. So from here, we're going to look at freeze. It's going to ask us for a reasoning, and we would give it whatever reasoning we needed. Say OK. Changes were saved, and now that PO is frozen. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.